Do you want to truly understand the Qur'an, not just read it? Most people read the Qur'an, but few deeply comprehend its meanings. Today, I'll share a simple, step-by-step guide to help you understand the Qur'an like never before. Step 1. Purify your intention. Understanding the Qur'an is not just about knowledge, it's about connection with Allah. Before starting, renew your intention. Seek guidance, not just information. Allah says in the Qur'an, and we have certainly made the Qur'an easy for remembrance. So is there anyone who will remember? Surah Al-Qamar, 54:17. This means Allah has made the Qur'an accessible. Your effort matters. Step 2. Learn basic Arabic. While translations are helpful, the true depth of the Qur'an is in Arabic. Start by learning key Arabic words and their meanings. Focus on common words that appear repeatedly in the Qur'an. For example, Rahmah, mercy, sabr, patience, taqwa, God consciousness. Even a basic grasp of Arabic can transform your understanding of the Qur'an. Step 3. Read with Tafsir, explanation. The Qur'an has deep meanings that require explanation. Tafsir books provide historical context, linguistic details, and explanations of verses. Some of the best Tafsir books include Tafsir Ibn Kathir, one of the most detailed and authentic commentaries. Tafsir As-Sa'di, a simple and easy-to-understand tafsir. Tafsir Al-Jalalain, a brief but insightful explanation. Reading tafsir helps you see the Qur'an's wisdom beyond just the surface meaning. Step 4. Reflect on the verses. The Qur'an is not just for reading, it's for pondering. Allah commands, "Do they not reflect upon the Qur'an, or are there locks upon their hearts?" Surah Muhammad, 47:24. Take time to reflect on how a verse applies to your life. Ask yourself, what lesson is Allah teaching me here? How can I implement this in my daily life? This transforms the Qur'an from just a book to a living guide. Step 5. Listen to the Qur'an daily. Listening to recitation improves comprehension. Choose a slow reciter like Sheikh Mishari Al-Afasi, Sheikh Sudais, Sheikh Abdul Basit. Listening while reading the translation helps connect the Arabic words with their meanings. Step 6. Study the Seerah of the Prophet. The Qur'an was revealed over 23 years, addressing real-life events in the Prophet's time. Understanding his life helps us see why certain verses were revealed. Recommended books on Seerah: The Sealed Nectar, Ar-Rahiq al-Makhtum. When the Moon Split, The Life of the Prophet, Ibn Kathir's Seerah. When you study the Seerah, the Qur'an becomes more relatable and meaningful. Step 7. Implement what you learn. Knowledge without action is wasted. The Qur'an was revealed as guidance, so apply its teachings in daily life. If the Qur'an talks about patience, practice it. If it teaches kindness, be kind. If it warns about arrogance, stay humble. Allah says, "The true believers are those whose hearts tremble when Allah is mentioned." Surah Al-Anfal 8:2. Understanding the Qur'an is a journey. It takes time, effort, and dedication, but the reward is life-changing. Start today with even one verse. Reflect on it, learn its meaning, and implement it. May Allah bless us with deep understanding of His words. Ameen. Liked this guide? Share it with others so they can benefit too. And if you want more content like this, make sure to follow for future videos.